Do you know that masturbation can actually kill you, kill your dreams, and destroy your entire life? This is a statement of fact, and I'm going to be showing you a practical example of how this can happen to you. It's a statement of fact that a lot of people in life have actually masturbated themselves to death. Yeah, a lot of people have died as a result of masturbation. This is a fact. I've seen this several times on social media where a certain death of some people were linked to masturbation, even though a lot of people argue because they don't know. But the truth is that working with young people for a very long time who have been battling with the addiction of masturbation, I've come to find out that it's a fact. There are a lot of people from their testimony, they have come to that point where they almost died as a result of masturbation. I tell you, a lot of people have actually died that you may not know, that the people around them don't know, that their family don't know, that the cause of their death were linked to masturbation. This is a fact, I'm telling you. Now, I've actually heard a lot of people say, young people say that they masturbated to a point where they could not stand up, they could not walk, they could not do anything. They were totally exhausted and weak. All right. Now that is next to death. That is really really close to death. Now a whole lot of other things happen. Side effects of masturbation. I say that masturbation can actually kill your dreams. This is also a fact. Most times when people who masturbate, when they get to that point where they become really addicted to these things, their minds are blinded by masturbation. You're not able to concentrate, you're not able to think, you're not able to use your mind right because your mind is always preoccupied with thoughts of sex, and of course you want to always satisfy your urge. So this becomes a problem to the individual. You don't have even energy. Most times after masturbating you're drained, totally drained. You don't even have the right energy to pursue your dreams, to pursue your vision, to get out of bed, to pursue anything. All right. So at that level of your life, it is difficult for you to get any dreams achieved because masturbation will cripple your life, and of course this can destroy your entire life. There are people who have several challenges in life as a result of masturbation. Now I'm not talking about spirituality here, I'm talking about physical things, things that you can actually feel, things that you can actually see. There are people who are having problems in their marriages today as a result of years of masturbating. Things like quick ejaculation, things like weak erection, things like insatiable sexual urge, things like unattractiveness to the opposite sex. These are some of the things that masturbation actually brings to you as a consequence, as a side effect, and this can happen to both men and women. As a matter of fact, I've actually worked with a whole lot of young women who are battling the addiction of masturbation and help them go through this process. So it's not a man thing, and the side effect of masturbation in most cases are the same for both women and men. And this is the reason why I wrote this book that is titled How to Overcome Masturbation. What I did basically is to hand you the power to be able to break the addiction of masturbation. You may not be addicted to it yet. That's a good thing. If you're not addicted, this is the time for you to start fighting it, because the fact that you're not addicted yet makes it a lot easy for you to be able to stop and overcome it before it's going to destroy your life. You know, a lot of people actually think that masturbation is spiritual because it's one addiction that is very difficult to break, but it's not really spiritual at all. It's a habit that you form, and the reason why it is very difficult to break as an addiction is because every addiction that gives pleasure to the brain is always difficult to break, and masturbation is such an addiction that gives the brain pleasure, just like drugs. All right, so that's why it's difficult to break. It's not that it's spiritual. Don't let anybody deceive you. It's a habit that you form, and just like a habit that you form, you can actually break it. All right, so this is the reason why I wrote this book, How to Overcome Masturbation. Please get a copy of this book and save yourself. Win the battle over masturbation before it destroys your life, before it kills your dream, and definitely before it kills you. All right, stay alive, stay on top. There is so much that you can do with your life. Don't let masturbation destroy your life right now. Click on the link below. If you're watching this right now, in the description you'll see the link where you can buy a copy of this book right now. Just click on that link right now and buy a copy for yourself. Actually having a discount price on it right now. So go there right now, click the link on this description and get a copy of this book right now and save your life. It's basically things that I've used, principles that I've used to help a lot of young people overcome addiction that are shared in this book. It's a powerful one, and then you'll thank me later for getting a copy for yourself.